Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your Creative Outlier Free Pro. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And if it do not, just click on your earbuds at the device list and we connected it. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset. So right here at the right earbud, we have these buttons. So press and hold on the multifunctional button to turn off your earbuds. Here we go. And after that, press and hold it again to turn on it. So these earbuds are reconnected to your phone, and we did it. If it also didn't help you, we should remove and add these earbuds. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device. And now these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list, and we did it. But if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. So firstly we should remove it, forget. Now make sure that this LED light blinking blue and red, it means that it's entered to pairing mode, and after that press and hold both of the volume controls on your earbuds, so this plus button and minus button. Press and hold until your earbuds will turn off. Here we go, it's set power off. Now on your Android, click pair new device, and then press and hold this multifunctional button to turn on your earbuds. It will enter to pairing mode, and just click on it at the device list. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!